Welcome everyone. I'd like to show you a new feature that is available within your Canvas course. This new feature is the Announcements and Discussion Redesign. You can see that I'm in my demo course right here. And let's take a look at a classic discussion so we know what that looks like. So I'm going to navigate to Discussions in the course index. I'm going to click there, and I have several discussions here, and I'm going to look at the introductions example. And you can see here's what a discussion looks like in the traditional view. You have the prompt, you have the reply button right here, you can search for the author or the entries right here. There's a reply button, I didn't show that just a moment ago. And that's what it looks like in the traditional view. Let's say that you would like to turn on the discussions, the new design for discussions. You can go to Settings, and again, this is the course level, so it will have to be turned on by each individual instructor. And then you go to Feature Options, and from there, there's a Discussion Announcements Redesign. Notice this is a feature preview. That means by opting in, you're agreeing to the updated release of information as the product is developed. So I click and I make that enabled. And now I'm going to go back to discussions. And let's create a new discussion. So I'm going to create a new discussion right here. And I have already copied and pasted that introduction actually. So I'm just going to call this Introduction 2. And I'll spell introduction correctly. And I'm going to paste that information. And now notice that my options are a little bit different than they were in the traditional discussion view, so I can experiment with these, set them up as you would like for your particular class. And then the rest of the options in terms of group and available from and until remain the same. So I'm going to select Save. And now notice this discussion is going to have a little bit different look. It appears a little bit more streamlined, a little bit more modern. And notice the reply button is right here. I think it's a little bit more prominent. And you have the ability up here to publish for the instructor, to subscribe or unsubscribe, and then the three dots give you several options in terms of what you would like to do with that particular discussion. So I personally like this feature update. It may be one that you want to opt into if you use discussions a lot in your course. As always, there's a written guide, a written tutorial in the comments section, or sorry, in the video's description below. So feel free to use that as well. If you have any questions, please let me know.